In this lesson, we're going to take a look at how we can turn layers off and on. You may find yourself wanting to hide certain things in your drawing, perhaps because dimensions are cluttering up your screen or some hatch patterns are taking up too much space. For whatever the reason, it can be easily done with the on-off function of each layer. If I click the layer dropdown, I will see several symbols next to each layer name, one of them being a light bulb. The light bulb appears yellow if it's on and dimmed if it's off. As you can see, every layer is currently on in this drawing. I'm going to turn off the landscaping by clicking on the light bulb. You can see the light bulb turns blue or dim, and the landscaping items have disappeared from my screen. If a layer is turned off, objects on that layer are invisible, and they will not print. They cannot be selected graphically for editing either. To turn a layer back on, I simply select the light bulb again, then click out in space, and those items are back. Notice that property line is my current layer. I'm going to turn that layer off. When I select the light bulb, I'm given a message. It indicates that I'm trying to turn off the current layer, and it wants to know if that's something I really want to do. I can choose to turn the current layer off, and as you can see up in the drop-down list, it is now turned off. It's not always a great idea to turn the current layer off because it can lead to some confusion. It actually allows me to draw invisible lines. If I start the line command and draw, it looks as though nothing is happening. But if I go and turn that layer back on, I can see that I was actually drawing lines out in space. So to recap, one way that you can hide drawing objects on screen is by simply clicking the light bulb next to it to turn the layer on or off. That concludes this look at turning layers on and off in AutoCAD.